Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting on the 1 hour chart here for the daily. So we have, of course, yesterday in the daily close, we saw, of course, a potential of several 1-2s here, double 1-2s. And that because we see is this, of course, interfering with zone 1 in case it is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We saw this interfering in the zone 1, and that means, of course, a potential of a double 1-2 in 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. So basically, I'm still looking for higher even for a Nasdaq, of course, taking the all-time high. And that means, of course, we have finished the wave 4 right now. We are still looking for higher potentially to reach, of course, the zone here, the blue zone, which it might be a wave 5 with the gray, and then finishing wave 3 in the white. And then, of course, creation of another 4 and a 5 toward the upside. So this might be very, very bullish, guys, for the Nasdaq, and it might, of course, reach over than the 22K. So basically, we already in the all-time high? Not yet. So basically, the all-time high, let us put also a zone for it here, just to make sure that all-time high. All right. So yes, I think it will reach the all-time high. Yes, exactly, guys. So potentially that once we finish this wave here, wave 3, we're gonna reach the all-time high with it in 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, basically it's gonna reach the all-time high and rebound toward the downside, where it might play as a resistance. But you don't forget that you still have a big wave 4 here, meaning the main wave 4 of this main impulse. If we take a look, let's go to the 2 hours chart, is nicer. So on the 2 hours chart here, you are looking for the main wave 4. And that means it might be a bigger wave 4 a little bit, and that because, of course, your wave 2 is very big. You have ABC for wave 2, meaning the wave 4 might be also very big and long. Now we see a zigzag or a regular flat here, so it might be also a deep wave 4. Be careful. This wave 2 is not very deep, yeah, and it is a flat. Obviously, the target of the wave B is very high, meaning it is a flat here, regular flat, meaning the wave 4 might be, of course, a zigzag, or it can be, of course, triangle, but higher potential that it might be deeper. Okay, so we have to be careful with this one. Now this wave 4 is gone. So yeah, basically we might see, of course, higher prices, but later on we might see again a little bit lower prices and longer time to unfold a wave 5 again toward the upside. By all means, what it might happen as this scenario, this wave might take the all-time high a little bit in few dollars, and then moving down, guys. Moving down with a very deep wave 4 and then a very strong wave 5, which it might reflect this expanding a diagonal for wave 1. Yes, so those are the possible scenarios, and what it might happen next. Of course, we have a wave 1, we gonna get a wave 2 again, and then simply continuation for higher prices. Yep, so these are the possibilities right now for the Nasdaq. Let's take a look at the SPX as well. The SPX, we have 1-2 also. We have several 1-2s also inside it, and we're looking for 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave 3 in the blue scenario. And we were looking a little bit for more higher, and I believe it's still gonna get a higher. This is your wave 4 right now, formation in 1-2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 might reach the 6,000, of course, in this blue zone where we are going to take the all-time high. Not yet. So let's put also an all-time high signal here. Not each time try to see. So all-time high. Here we go. So the all-time high might be, of course, in this case, taken later on. Yeah. So it might not be taken directly. We might get a wave 4 and a wave 5 again, of course, and then taking the all-time high with it. Yeah, so we have to be careful with it. It might be also short, yeah, short wave 5 later on, again, doing the same as Nasdaq did, yeah, might do. Okay, so rebound from the all-time high, getting main wave 4, which is also regular flat, and wave 4 might be deeper potentially, and then moving very high for a wave 5, since your wave 1 is also a very big wave. So yeah, these are the potential scenarios. I'm still looking for higher in both Nasdaq and SPX. The targets are 6,000 for the SPX, while Nasdaq are around the 22K. Of course, 22K would be a perfect target actually in the blue zone. Right, that was it for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.